at the IFBB Junior Mr Universe 2022, organized by the Indian Bodybuilding and Fitness Federation IBBFF in Pune on the 17th of April. Shillong's Ashit Baruah secured first position in the 60 to 70 kg weight category. Earlier, Ashit had brought laurels to the state by securing the first position in the IBBFF 60th Junior Mr and Miss India National Championship 2022 in the 65 to 70 kg weight category. On arrival in Shillong on Wednesday, 20th April, Ashit was welcomed by his family and friends. While speaking to reporters, the IFBB Junior Mr Universe 2022 had given due credit of his victory to his father, Raju Baruah, who is also a bodybuilder who had won many titles in various competitions and who had also trained his son. Ashit also informed that soon he will be preparing for the international competition to be held in the future.
I am feeling happy after winning the show, the Mr. Universe and Mr. India. So I want to express this to my dad, who has been coaching me, and my bhaiya, Robbie sir, who has been coaching me, and my mom, who has been supporting me. These three are the pillar of my success. They have been always been supporting me from the starting. Until now, they are supporting me whatever steps I'm taking in the future or not. Whether I want to play this competition or that competition, they are always there for me, for guiding me and supporting me. Yes, if there's any competition ahead, so I think I will be taking part in it.